The world's financial markets are closely watching China Real Estate Group, which hasn't made its debts due. If it doesn't resolve its situation, it could become the biggest debt default in Asia. Beijing seems reluctant to bail out China Construction Bank, which has been struggling due to its massive debts. Hello everyone, and welcome to Cryptonia, a channel where you're gonna find news about crypto, stock market, and many more. If you want to gain more knowledge about the economic field, consider subscribing to our channel, and hit the like button for the algorithm. Today we're gonna be talking about China Evergrande, and what happened to the real estate Chinese giant. What is China Evergrande? Evergrande is a massive Chinese real estate developer that is struggling to pay its debts. Its most recent interest payment deadline was looming. As of that day, the holders of the company's bonds hadn't received the money. The company didn't provide a timetable for when it would pay the bondholders. What will Chinese government do to prevent this crisis? Authorities in China are asking local governments to step in if Evergrande Properties doesn't follow through with its restructuring plans. Local governments have been told to prevent unrest and minimize the impact of the property market on the wider economy, officials said on Friday. The officials also noted that authorities would closely monitor the situation next year. How big is Evergrande? Evergrande, which had almost $78 billion in revenue last year, used borrowed money to fund its massive real estate projects in China. It also paid out massive dividends to its shareholders. What this crisis is all about? The company's problems started last year when the SARS pandemics affected property sales. Then, China's restrictions on real estate developers' borrowing became so strict that it became difficult for the company to pay its suppliers. How big is Evergrande debt? Evergrande Real Estate, which is the world's largest publicly traded real estate management company, had almost $83 billion in debt at the end of June. It's also selling off more than 1 million apartments. Could Evergrande trigger a worldwide crisis? Evergrande is China's largest real estate developer, which is also deeply embedded in the country's financial system and economy. A collapse could threaten the stability of the whole system. A collapse could also threaten the stability of the whole economy. It could also cause a spike in property prices and wipe out the jobs of thousands of people in China. What worries the shareholders? Many investors are worried about the lack of transparency regarding China's plans for its economy. Due to the wide use of property as security for loans, a drop in prices may threaten the stability of the financial system, according to analysts at Barclays. Will Evergrande affect China economy? Evergrande's stock price has fallen amid the cooling of China's real estate market. The government's goal is to ensure that customers get the homes they bought from the developer. That's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.